earlier. How are you feeling?
Yeah.
So central processing unit, it's the brains of the computer. So it's responsible for processing all of the data and doing all the calculations and work based on your commands that you put into the computer. The keyboard is how you put those commands into the computer. So it's got alpha data, which is your letters, and numeric data, which is your numbers. Pretty self-explanatory. Your mouse is obviously the little thing that looks like a mouse that allows you to navigate and interact with your computer, helps you do things like locate and open files and applications, and select and change different settings. Your monitor is obviously your screen that shows you everything on your computer, all of the data, images, text, videos, lets you visually interact with your computer data. So creating folders and subfolders. File management on your computer is a really important skill because it helps keep your computer really tidy, makes it easy to find files when you need them, and it allows you to keep your files in different groups for different purposes. So for example, you can have one folder that has all of your holiday photos in it, and then within that folder you can have subfolders, different holidays. So it's really easy, and we're going to go through having a bit of a go now. So what I want you to do on your computer is, number one, right click with your mouse in the location where you want to make a folder. Awesome. From that menu that appears, select new. Yep. And then from the next menu, choose folder. Awesome. So now you've got this little folder that's appeared with the default name new folder highlighted. What you're going to do is, while it's still highlighted, type the name you want for your folder. So anything, could be pets. Then just click anywhere away from that folder. Yep, and then you've got it there ready to go. It's literally that easy. Now we're just going to go in and create some subfolders. So they're basically like a filing cabinet. So first of all, open the folder that you want to put your subfolders in. Awesome. Now right click on a blank area inside that folder. And then you're going to follow the exact same steps for creating your first subfolder. Awesome. So sometimes you may need to rename your folders. It's a really simple 3-click process. So just click away from your folder there now. Yep. Click once with your left mouse button to select the folder that you want to rename. Yep. So now that it's highlighted, you can type the new folder name. So you click once with your left mouse on the folder name, and it will become highlighted. Yep, awesome. Now type in your new name, and then again click away anywhere from it. Awesome. You've renamed your subfolder. So that's folders all done and dusted. Make sense?
Yeah.
Pretty simple, isn't it? Now we're going to look at launching an application or an app. So launching is just a fancy word for open. So what we're going to do is launch or open Microsoft Word. So clicking on the start button on your computer, you've got the exact same icon that is on the screen. Scroll through the list of your apps until you find the Word icon. Awesome. Then you just click on it and it should launch. So you can follow that process to open any application or program. So what we're actually going to do now is learn how to open a Word document within your Word application. So you can see on the screen here, you need to first click File on the menu bar. Awesome. Click Open from the list of options and then navigate to the folder where your document is saved. Now click on the document to select it and then click open to open the document in Word. Awesome. Super easy as well, hey? Okay, what we're going to do now for a little brain break is a short quiz that is based on what you've just learned. So folders, launching apps, saving documents, etc. So this little quiz will form part of your overall assessment for your training. So it's not scary, it's just a little learning thing that we're doing. So would you like to do your quiz on your computer or would you like to do it on paper? Yeah, awesome. So if you just want to go into the email that I sent you with the quiz link, you can pop on there and spend a few minutes doing that quiz. If you need any help at any part of it, just let me know, I'll just sit here. Not too scary? Okay, awesome. Well, it looked like you did well, so should be all good. Nearly done. So we'll just have a little conclusion and recap. So these are the things we talked about and learned today. The importance of basic computer skills, where you can use your computer skills, the key components of the computer, creating folders and subfolders, how to rename folders, launching or opening applications on your computer, opening files from within an application. So quite a lot, but you seem to do it quite well. So did you have any issues with any of it? Was there anything you're a bit confused about?
I think it was pretty
All good?
easy.
Awesome. Yeah, well you did really well. So thank you very much. Now before you go, could you please just write down some feedback? So this can be anything you want me to know, any questions you have, anything you liked about today, anything you didn't, any other comments, anything you want to write down, you can write it down on that. thank you. Well, I hope you had fun today and you feel a little bit better about getting our sessions done. That's one done, two more to go, so I'll see you for session 2. Awesome.